Welcome to the RMail Feature Explained video short series on the installation of the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. To start, go to www.rmail.com and click on the Apps Marketplace. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook Desktop. So click on the RMail for Outlook Desktop and Office 365 icon, which will bring you to the download page. When you scroll down, you'll notice there is a 32-bit and 64-bit option. This is the Microsoft Office 32 or 64-bit, not the Microsoft Windows 32 or 64-bit. If you're not sure which version you have, scroll down, you'll find the instructions on how to confirm your version of Microsoft Outlook. In this example, I'm going to download the 32-bit version. When I click on the button, depending on what browser you're using, you'll see either a save or run option. In this case, I'm going to save the file and then run it after it's downloaded. Prior to running the wizard, make sure your Microsoft Outlook desktop is closed during the installation process. To install the app, simply press the Next button, confirm you agree, press Next again, make sure it is going to be installed for everybody, press Next again. If a security pop-up appears, click Yes, and wait for it to be finished. When you're done, press Close. There's no need to reboot your computer, and when you open up Microsoft Outlook, press New to compose a new message, and you should see the RMail app for Outlook icon in the top left corner. If you are upgrading the button, you can begin using the RMail service right away. If you are new to the RMail service, when you compose a new message and press the Send Registered button for the first time, there is a one-time registration process. Once you've gone through the registration, you can begin using the RMail service. Make sure you view other training videos on how the RMail service works. Thank you for listening.